Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm making some super cute little crocheted wire earrings made with 28 gauge artistic wire. I'm working off the roll of the 28 gauge artistic wire, and I have a small size crochet needle, and I'll start with a little loop and I will pull the wire through just for our starting point. Try to keep the tension not too tight, but also not too loose, somewhere in the middle. And then we are going to pull the wire through to make a little chain stitch. This might take a little getting used to working with the wire. The 28 gauge works quite well with this. I wouldn't go any thicker. And we're going to make 6 chain stitches to make one petal of the flower. So just bring the wire around the hook and through the loop. Take your time with it, holding the chain with your thumb and finger and bringing the wire through to make your loops. Trying to keep them the same size, but it's okay if there's slight irregularities with your loops. So bringing the loops through and just checking that you have 6, and then once you have your 6th loop, we are going to bring the end into the first loop to form your petal. So just bring it right into your starting point, bring the wire through and then through the loop. So now we have one complete petal. And we will go again and do 6 chain stitches to make another petal. Just bringing the wire through, taking your time with it, trying to keep the stitches a consistent size, holding the chain firmly with your thumb and finger, and creating our loops. And once you have 6, we're going to go into our initial loop again. Bring the wire through so it will be attached and bring it through the stitch. So now we have our second petal. Adjust them as you need. And then we'll keep going till we have 5 petals and bring the wire through the last one to finish it off, and we can adjust them so they're positioned as you wish. Just push them around with your thumb and finger, curve out the ends so they look nice and smooth, and then we're going to take a 6mm miracle bead. You can use any kind of bead that you wish, and then take the end of the wire and put it through one of the loops to hold it in place, and pull the wire so there's no slack. Make sure it's nicely positioned. Do any adjustments you need, and then we're going to bring the wire up and through the bead again. Now, because the 28 gauge wire is quite thin, you'll want to go through the bead a few times to make sure it's really solid and firmly in place. So just go through the loop on the opposite side, bring the wire around and through the bead to make sure it's nice and secure. So then we're going to clip that end, adjust it, and then we have the other end that we are also going to go through the bead, give it a good little tug, and then we're actually going to wind it around the bead a few times, about 3 times. This just gives it a nice little finish. So holding it down with your thumb, bringing the wire around 3 times, and then we want to push the end through the bead, holding those wires down. So make sure when you put the wire through the bead, it goes above the wires that are wound around the bead. Take the end with your pliers to hold it firmly. Give it a good little tug. And then we want to finish that last little wire off. So it's almost like sewing it in place just to finish it up. So just bring it around, give it a good little tug to make sure it's firmly in place. You can bring it through a couple of times. And then we're going to clip it with the flush cutters. And then for that little end, we don't want it pokey, so we're just going to bend it with the chain nose pliers. Now you can adjust the petals so they're even. Just squeeze them, pull them, stretch them if you need to. Make sure they're evenly spaced. You can press them with the nylon jaw pliers to flatten them out a little bit and make it look more finished. If you have to open up some of the chains, just use your round nose pliers and stick the end of the round nose pliers in and give it a wiggle. Those will open up some of those chains. And then we have an earring hook. You can make your own. I'll link up a tutorial for earring hooks. Close it up. And there are your beautiful crocheted chain stitch flower earrings. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. You can also join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. You can get the templates for most of my projects in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.